This next song I'd like to do, ladies and gentlemen, is written by a very close brother of ours. Comes from the big island of Hawaii. Those of you that don't know where that, that's over there. That way. Song written by brother Mickey Iwani. Song he wrote during the time of the movement. Song's called Hawaii 78 and it goes like this. Here we go.
One of the questions for young Hawaiian musicians is, can you make a living doing this? And the question is a rather qualified yes, because financially, for example, the recording market in Hawaii is rather small, that the local recording industry is distributed only here in Hawaii. So many of these artists don't have any kind of mainland exposure at all, or the opportunity to sell lots and lots of records. The same thing happens with singers who are going to tour. They tour mostly around here in the state, and often maybe to California or to Washington, where there are large Hawaiian populations, but not much more than that. The idea of publishing music in Hawaii has not been a big industry here. So that, yes, you can make it financially, but most of the very fine Hawaiian musicians all hold day jobs somewhere else. Another aspect of this is that often the Hawaiian musician is expected to share his music for free. And it is a little bit hard to tell your auntie, no, I don't want to play for your baby luau unless you pay me. That's not very Hawaiian. So a lot of the music is given away for free. And all those free sharings of music also mean that the Hawaiian musician doesn't get paid for his job. So that's one of the dilemmas for Hawaiian musicians. To be Hawaiian means to share, but to be a musician means you also have to make a living at it. So that there are, how do you do this? One of the ways is to go work for another job and then come back and play Hawaiian music at night.
Please help me. Please help me welcome to who is the Sam Bernard Trio with Kaulana Kasparovich on bass, Sam Bernard on the ukulele, and Clyde Lono on the guitar.
Aloha, everybody, and we're going to feature our cousin Sam Bernard at this time, a song from his album entitled Kuhio Beach. It's a beautiful song that reminisces long, long ago, back in the days of the 30s and 40s. Picture yourself when there were no high-rises in Waikiki and seeing the beautiful torches as they're lit one by one in the evening for the beautiful luau's that happen as they reflect on the ocean. Our cousin at this time, and Kuhio Beach.
Where the moon shines on the sand, and the beach boys surfing in with the tide to the shore, with girls side by side. On the sand, you'll hear music of old and new, and the beach boys are now playing and singing out there. Where the moon shines on the sand, and the beach boys under the palm trees where music lingers on, singing in the moonlight under the palm trees down on the sand tonight. Shines on the sand, and the beach boys under the palm trees where music lingers on. Under the palm trees where music lingers on.
Mr. Sam Bernard, yo! Beautiful song, Kuhio Beach. Mahalo, thank you.